birthday, Mamu.
Happy birthday, Mai. Hope you know how special you are to everyone. Love and have a great, beautiful birthday. Good luck, good health. God bless and be happy.
Happy birthday,
Mamo!
See you.
God bless
God bless po, Mamo.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Mama. See you.
See you.
Hello, Auntie. Happy birthday.
Wish you a good health. Stay guwapa gihapon. God bless you. And more birthdays to come. I love you, Auntie.
Love you. Hello, Ate Aurora. Happy birthday this coming 24. Happy birthday, Launglian. Kumusta na ka mo, Lola? Hi, Lola. Kumusta? Happy birthday ko, no, Launglian. Planky si Dayan si Lola ng birthday. Singgoy dayon. Adoy, Ginoo. Lola.
Happy birthday, Mamu. I miss you. We miss you. So, enjoy your day, Mamu. Stay healthy and young looking, of course. Punta po hon, makalaag ni diha sa imo. Pasensya na yun. Walay laag-laag, no? Busy yun kaayo sa work. Don't worry about Papay Mamu. Kabalugid ko mga musta ka. He's doing great diri sa balay. So, uhon, laag ng diha sa imo, ha. Enjoy your day, Mamu.
Happy birthday! Sila po yung aking anak, Johanna Hope and Aaron. Happy birthday, Auntie! Wish you more birthdays to come and hope to see you soon.
wish you have a birthday.
God bless you.
you. I wish you.
Hi, Auntie. Happy birthday. Manghinaot ko nga hatagan pa ka sa Ginoo maayong panglawas, dugang nga katuigan para sa imong adlaw na tawhan. Dayon, I hope nga karon sa imong adlaw na tawhan, happy ka no kauban sa imong pamilya. Happy birthday, Auntie, and then we love you.
Happy birthday, my pretty auntie. Dasal ko na sana bigyan ka pa ng Panginoon ng mahabang buhay at maging malusog at masaya. Nandito lang po kami kahit malayo kami, tayo ay pamilya. And nandito lang kami para sa iyo. Happy birthday! Love you!
Happy birthday po, Auntie Aurora. More birthdays to come. Regards lang po ko sa inyong lahat dyan sa Davao, sa ating mga paryente.
Hello, Auntie, naming maganda. Happy birthday po, Auntie. May you have more birthdays to celebrate. Have a good health always. Just enjoy life to the fullest, Auntie. Hindi man tayo nagkikita-kita, pero lagi mong tatandaan, Auntie, na mahal na mahal ka namin. Someday, somehow, makadalaw din kami dyan sa Davao. Kasi sobrang miss na po namin kayong lahat. Again, happy birthday, Auntie. May God be with you always. Love you.
Hi, Mai! Happy birthday! Blessed birthday to you! God bless and good health always and miss you!
My happy birthday! I'd like to thank you for everything you have done for me, especially during our college days, for treating me like your own.
You may not have given me the gift of life, but life gave me the gift of you. I am so lucky. I have 3 moms, Mama, you, and Tita Beng. To my second mother, happy 75th birthday. I love you, Mai, and you will forever hold a special place in my heart.
Hi, Mamay! Happy birthday! Matagal hindi tayo nakita, Mai. I hope that you are very well and very healthy and taking care of your apos. And I wish you more of healthy years ahead of you, and may God give you the desires of your heart. Happy birthday and enjoy your day! Happy birthday, Mama!
Happy birthday po!
Happy birthday to the sweetest Mamu. I hope your day is filled with love and kindness that you give to other people. Thank you for taking care of Mon, Miguel, and Marco, as well as your extended mga apo like me. And I hope you enjoy your day and that I wish you more blessings and birthdays to come. Love you, Mamu. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Mamu. Wish you good health always and more birthdays to come. Enjoy your day, Mamu. And padayon sa pagkagwapa. God bless you. Happy birthday, Mamu.
Happy birthday, Mama. I love you.
Hi, Ate Al. Malapit na birthday mo, ate. 2 nights na lang po. Then birthday mo na. I greet you, ate, in advance. Happy birthday, ate. I know you'll be happy. Most here. Kahit ka nagmahal sa mo, kapalitit sa mo, ate. Labi na mga loved ones mo, mga apo. Happy birthday, ate. I love you, ate. Hoping and praying for your good health always. And many years pa birthday to celebrate. Happy birthday, ate. Ma.
Hello, Auntie Aurora. Kumusta naman ka din na? Gwapang gihapon. Happy birthday and Merry Christmas to all of you.
Happy birthday, Auntie Aurora. Wish you good health and more birthdays to come. Merry Christmas.
Happy birthday po, Mamo. Enjoy your day po.
Happy birthday, Ma. Ingat always. Ayaw sige ka problema sa mga corruption sa gobyerno, ha. Chill lang. Happy birthday. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Silent tears full of pride in a world made of steel.